The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Facebook, good afternoon. Instagram, good afternoon. I am Josephia. I am a teacher by profession and I work at Priscilla's Prep School. As we all know, due to the pandemic, most of the prep schools are shut down here in Jamaica. Currently, we have less than 10 students online because majority of our students are kindergarten. And so, in order to stay alive and to survive and to provide for my children, I have no choice but to resort to private tutoring from my home. Let me just give you a little glimpse of where I live. Now, there are some neighbors across the street who are insisting that I am keeping school. The president of the association has come to me twice. 2 times I invite the man inside. I said, listen, I am not keeping school, but I have to do this now because this is the only way I can secure an income. I say as soon as the pandemic is over or as soon as school reopen, I wouldn't have to be doing private tutoring from my home. People, I need your help because the neighbors are targeting me. They're on my back and I feel like I cannot take it anymore. I tried to go over there the day the president came and they run me from the gate. Don't come over here. I say, all right. After that, I am learning that they're going around this community questioning people about my character, wanting to find out if I have husband, if I live alone, how much kids I have, as if, you know, people doing research as if they want to come and launch an attack. I don't say anything. I keep doing my thing. When the students come in the mornings, they come in, bring them inside, and I lock my door. I lock my door. As big as this lawn is, teacher, can we go outside? I don't let them go outside because I'm not trying to become a nuisance to the community. And listen to me good, because I'm wondering if other teachers are suffering this. I am not a wrongdoer. I am a teacher. I'm an educator. And so students come here for lessons 9 to 1. I lock my door. By 1 o'clock, everybody out. I am learning that they are now signing a petition against me to get me out of the community. They have called my landlord and threaten him that if he doesn't get me to stop from making my honest bread now to feed my children, that they're going to take him to court. One morning, 1:30, I got up to use the bathroom, 1:30 a.m., Facebook. I want you to tell me now. I saw the same neighbor across the street at my gate looking over here. Somebody said I should have called the police. I couldn't believe. I'm saying, but this looks like serious harassment now. Now, I want you to tell me, Facebook. I'm not a thief. I don't sell myself. I'm just a teacher trying to keep afloat until we come through this pandemic, until school reopens. Why is it that these neighbors have to be tormenting me like this? Why? Why? I feel frustrated because there's nobody on my side. There's nobody to talk to. You understand me? I feel threatened. Yes. And they are now threatening my landlord, who is not even residing here in Jamaica. So my livelihood is now on the line because there are some people across the street who are fueling a complete community attack against me. Because parents reach out to me and say, Auntie, I know this online thing not going to work and my child is slow, so please help my child to back up with reading. There are those who have to go to work. Some of them, the kids are just too small to manage the online. And it is true. And so, in also helping to keep the children on par and to make a living for myself, I have to be suffering like this and stressed out like this as if the pandemic is not enough to stress me out. I want them to leave me alone. I want them to leave me alone. I cannot deal with it anymore because they are not stopping. They are not stopping. Everywhere you go, you hear my name on the street. I keep insisting the school is located in Greenwood. This is me doing my thing personally, and they're still not stopping. So tell me now, should I be threatened now because I am earning an honest bread? I'm trying to survive in this pandemic. Teachers, talk up to me, teachers. Is it me alone? Am I the only one doing private tutoring from my home? Somebody talk to me because I need help. I need my voice to be heard. I need help. I need help. How must I live? When I stop from doing my lessons, are they going to pay my rent over here? Are they going to feed me when my kids cry and say they are hungry? Somebody tell me. They're going to pay my bills? What a system. What a system. People just stay, maybe because they're not suffering or this pandemic has not affected them, they feel like they must just come and terrorize people. Facebook, I need help. I need this to go out. I need my voice to be heard. Yeah. Right at the border of Trelawney and St. James, and the people terrorizing me, harassing me, and I'm sick of it and tired of it. Tell me on what grounds can they take my landlord to court? Yes, it could have been a residential community little more. This is me working from home. I have no choice but to use my skills to survive. Why fighting me? I'm fed up, Facebook, and stressed out. Stressed out because it's like you can't live in peace. You can't survive in peace. And I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. So I want you to tell me on what grounds. Tag some teachers. Tag the Prime Minister. Because I see people highlighted for helping people in the community for setting up school in their backyard. I have to lock my door. I had some chairs over here. They tell me to take them off the veranda. I take them off for peace sake. So I'm trying to not become a nuisance or to be loud. Every day the kids come, teacher, can we play? Sit there. Sit there. I don't let them out. I don't let them out because what? I'm trying to keep the peace. I'm just trying to help the students while I make a living. And after they going under this pressure, thinking that they run the community and I'm paying rent over here. I am paying rent over where I live in. Somebody help circulate this video and give me your advice. Tell me what to do. Yes, I'm fed up. Too often people get a fight. You have to fight too hard. You have to fight too hard. The pandemic is a fight enough. And you can't live in peace. I need my voice to be heard. Facebook, tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Tell me. Tag all who must tag. Because this needs to go out. Tell them to leave me alone, let me survive and provide for my children until school open back.
Alright, my people. I do not mean no disrespect in no way nor no form to no one. But you see, if the things that this female said, if they are as accurate as to how she said it, then I hope those neighbors that she talked about leave her alone. You see, from someone is not killing or robbing or doing anything illegal to earn money, I do not business with them. I rather to see more people within the country of Jamaica prosper than to see too many people within the country of Jamaica suffer. In my point of view, you see, when too much people in a country suffer, that's not good for the country. In my point of view, that is a big problem for the country. You see me I say? So as long as this female is doing something that is not illegal, and if she really and truly is not bothering anyone, then I hope no one bother her. Alright, let me know what you think about the things that this female said. You can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said and so on. Alright, I just presented to you a video that shows a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she's a teacher and that neighbors from within a community that she's living in are targeting her because she's private tutoring children. at a house that she's living in. See? She said that she did the private tutoring to children to earn money during the COVID-19 pandemic. Viewers and subscribers, the COVID-19 pandemic affected the whole world, you know. Here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.